Good morning everyone. So we have come back again. Hope you all are fit and fine. I know children, I have given you homework. Yes, I hope you all have done your homework. Yes, which I have given you in previous class. You remember? 1 to 10 numbers. Okay. Now children, today's session we will revise 11 to 20 numbers and 1 to 5. Yes, number names. So by doing exercise. So first we will repeat 11 to 20 numbers from the book. And you can take your book. Page number 38 you open. Here you can see number. Yes. So we will start from 11 here. So this number is 11. Say 11. And before I say children, you have to count the objects very slowly. You have to count the objects slowly. Okay. See here. 1. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many apples? Yes, 11 apples. So we say 11. How we'll read 11? 11. Now we'll come to next number, that is 1 to 12. So we have to count the objects. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many carrots? Yes. How many? 12. So how will say 1 to 12? Okay. We have to read 1 to 12. Now after 12? Yes, 13. So 1, 3, 13. Okay. So how many strawberries? Yes, come on. Yes, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many strawberries? Yes, children, 13 strawberries. And we will read how? 1, 3, 13. Now next number 1, 4, 14. Which number this is? After 13, 1, 4, 14. So we'll count the pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 pairs and 1. We will read 1, 4, 14. Now we'll come to next number 1, 5, 15. So here the objects. Yes, tomatoes. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? Yes. How many tomatoes? 15. So 1, 5, 15. How we have to read? 1, 5, 15. So 15 tomatoes. And now we'll go to 16. After 15, yes, 16. Say 1, 6, 16. And the candles are, yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 16. So we say 1, 6, 16. Now after 16, yes, 17. And teddy bears, yes, we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many teddy bears? 17. So we'll read how? 1, 7, 17. Now we can say after 17, 18. 1, 8, 18. So how many dolls? Yes, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we'll read 1, 8, 18. 18 dolls, 18 number. Now we'll go to 19. You can see here sharpener. Yes. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. How many sharpeners? 19. So we say 19. Say, repeat, 19. 19 sharpeners, 19 number. Now here you can see after 19, 20. So how many erasers? Yes, now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many erasers? 20 erasers, and we will read 20. So once again we will repeat the number again. Yes, this number only, and keep your finger over there and read one by one. Okay, we'll say the numbers. 1 1 11. Repeat, 1 1 11. 1 2 12. Okay, now next is 1 3 13. Say again, 1 3 13. Now 1 4 14. Very good. 1 5 15. Say again, 1 5 15. After 15, 1 6 16. Say again, 1 6 16. Now 17. 1 7 17. Say again, 1 7 17. Now next is 18. 1 8 18. 1 8 18. Now we'll go to 19. 1 9 19. 1 9 19. Now after 19, 20 20. Say again, 20 20. Okay. Now children, you can see here we have done this exercise, page number 43, and today we will repeat again this exercise. And you can see here I have made one worksheet, and we will do this worksheet, and you have to same way as we have done previous classes. Yes, we have done now. Circle the correct number. So we'll do this. You can see here till 20 numbers I have arranged this with the objects. You have to count the objects and we'll go to correct number. Okay, now we'll start. So children, you can see, yes, now, and you can see here the heading. Please parents, you can note down number recognition 11 to 20, and here I have written page number 43 and 50. So page number 50 at the back it is. I will show you later on. First we'll do this. Okay, so first picture is, object is tomatoes. So we have to count these tomatoes. Okay, we'll count. Yes, when we will count, we will come to know the number, correct number, and we have to circle it. I have taught you na circle. Yes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Which number? 17. So you can see here, I know children, you know the number 17, where it is. This is 1 3 13, 1 5 15, and here the 1 7 17. So we have to circle. Okay, you can do in your book. Mama will hold your hand and she will make you to do this exercise. Okay, now we'll go to next object. We'll see how many capsicum. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How many capsicum? 12. And here you can see 3 numbers I have written. First only, oh my god, 1 2 12. So we will circle it. Yes, first number is only 12, so we will circle 12. Okay, now you can see here turnip. Yes, Yes, turnip. You will count how many turnip? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many turnips? 14. So we will see here three numbers in front of that. Yes, first is 1 to 12. Second is 1, 4, 14. So we got the 14 correct number. We'll circle. Okay. Now you can see here. This is cucumber. Okay. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many cucumbers? Yes, 18. So we'll go first only, you can see here 18, 1, 8, 18 and we will circle it. Okay? It is clear for you? Yes. Now next is carrot. Yes, object. Okay, now we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, the 20, the last number. So 1, 1 here, 11. In front of carrots, you can see three numbers. Where is 20? Yes, the middle one is 22, 0, 20. So we will circle it. Now next object, cauliflower. You can see here, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So where it is 13? 1, 7, 17, 1, 5, 15, 1, 3, 13. So we will circle 13. This is the correct number. Now we'll go to next object. We'll see. Yes, onion. Yes, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and the last is 11. So 1, 1, 11. How many? 11. So 11 onion. So first number is 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 and 1, 1, 11. So we'll go for 11. We'll circle. The last is brinjal. You can see? Yes, we'll go with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many brinjals? 15. So here the first number only 15. 1, 5, 15. Circle it. So children, we have finished this exercise. You have enjoyed? You have enjoyed? Very good. So now we'll turn this page and this is very, yes, this is very easy and yes, easy method, matching. And I know children, you all like matching. So this is very easy also and we'll go for this. Okay. So how we'll go? You can see here. First we can see the number. We have to count the object and we have to match with the correct number. Okay. So we'll count how many lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 11. So we'll go to 11. Where it is 11? Yes, you can see first is 1 to 12, 1, 4, 14, 1, 1, 11. So we'll match with this 11 number. Yes. Okay, you can see. Now next object, biscuits. We'll count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 12. So you can see the first number will count 1 to 12. Oh, this is only 12. So we'll match with this. Okay. Yes, like this we'll match with the correct number. Okay. Now we'll go down and we'll see here. You can see this is ice creams cup. Ice creams. You eat an ice cream. You'll count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 13. So we have finished this 12. Now you can see a 1, 4, 14. But we have counted 13. So we'll go down. Yes, 1, 5, 15. This is also not. This 1, 3, 13. So we'll go with this. Okay? Yes. Now again you can see the biscuits. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you can see here two numbers are left, 14 and 15. So which is the 14? 1, 4, 14. We'll go with this. And see? Yes. Now children, we can, last you can see ice creams. Yes. You can see ice creams. Okay. Now we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ice creams. My God. Can see we have finished all the numbers. Only one number is left. That is 15. 1, 5, 15. So we'll go and we'll match with this. Okay. So you have enjoyed this exercises 11 to 20. So we have finished this exercise. Now children, after this I will tell you about spellings. We have learned spellings before that also. 1 to 5 spellings we have learned. Now this spellings, number names we will repeat again. ONE1, TWO2 you can, and you can see here on the blackboard. Here the board you can see. You can see? Yes, I will write big and you have to repeat after me. This is 1. This is 1. So what is the spelling of 1? Yes, say O N E. What is the spelling of 1? O, repeat again. O N E 1. O N E 1. Okay. Now 2. So what is the spelling of 2? Yes, T W O 2. So we will repeat again. This is 2. So T W O 2. What is the spelling of 2? T W O 2. Say again. T W O 2. Okay. Now we'll go to next number, that is 3. You can see here 3. Okay. Now I will write here what is the spelling of 3. Yes, I know you are telling. Oh, very good. T H R, as I have told you, double E. When 2 E's are there, 2 letters, we say double. So double E 3. So we'll repeat again. T H R E E 3. This way also we can read, and other I will show you. T H R double E 3. This we have to say. You can say double. Okay. Now we'll go to next spelling. Okay. Now we'll go to next spelling. ONE1, TWO2 is over. THREE 3. And now which number will come? 4. Okay. So what is the spelling of 4? I will write here and you have to read after me. F O U R. can see? Repeat again. F-O-U-R 4. Repeat. F-O-U-R 4. Okay. Now 5. This is 5. What is the spelling of 5? Yes, I will show you. Repeat. F. I know you are reading. Very good. F-I-V-E. Yes, repeat again. Say F-I-V-E 5. Repeat. F-I-V-E 5. Okay, got it? We'll repeat again 4. F-O-U-R 4. And 5. F-I-V-E 5. Okay? Good. So children, like this at home also you have to repeat these all spellings, and for spellings also I have one exercise and you will enjoy it. I know surely you will enjoy, because this is also matching and this will help you. So very close I will bring this, you can see, and in the book you can see page number 30. First I will show you in the book page number 30. You can go and you will see this exercise here. I will show you. See, but the objects I have changed here. Some objects I have changed here, and you can see the here page number 30. You can see. Parents, please note down page number 30, and this is matching. So we have to, what we have to do, first we have to see the objects, we have to count, and in front of that correct number I have written here. Okay, so we'll do correct number I have written here, and you have to match with the correct spelling. So like here it is duck. How many? So 1 I have written here. This is correct number, correct object. And now we have to search where is 1. What is the spelling of 1? You know, just now I have repeated. O-N-E-1? Yes. So where is O-N-E-1? Okay, first I will read this spelling. T-H-R-E-E-3. No, this is no. O-N-E. Yes. So this is the spelling of 1, and we have to go dot to dot. You can see I have marked here. You will match like this. You can see. Okay. I will little dark I will do. Now you can see. Okay. Now we'll go to next spelling. We can see here objects, cars. So how many? 1, 2. You can see the number, correct number I have written. 2. And what is the spelling of 2? Yes, T-W-O 2. Where it is 2? Yes, I will read next spelling. This we have read. I have read this spellings. Now we have to read these 3. Okay. So F-I-V-E 5. This is not T-W-O 2. Yes, we have to match with the 2. So we'll go to 2. Okay. This. Okay. Now I know children, this is very tough. Spellings are very tough. You will, but you have to learn by heart at home. Daily you have to revise daily. Okay, so that you can learn this spelling. Then only you will able to do this exercise. So we'll go after 1, 2, 3. So how many apples here you can see? First we'll count 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 apples, 3 apples, and we'll go to 3. First we have read the spelling of 3 now. Yes, T-H-R-E-E 3. So we'll match with 3. Okay. Now after 3, 4. So how many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go to 4. 2 spellings are left. Here we can see F-I-V-E 5. No, this is not F-O-U-R, 4. So we'll go to 4. Okay. Now the last one is, yes, fishes. You can see, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the number is 5. And we have to go with the 5. So only one spelling is left, F-I-V-E, 5. So F-I-V-E, 5. Can we go with the 5? So we have finished this exercise. At home also you repeat, okay, and do this. You will enjoy after doing this. We will now we have end of this class, children, and I want to tell you what. Yes, children, my dear kids, obey your parents while doing your homework. Okay, learn everything, whatever I am teaching here. Do all the exercise. Okay, so children, take care. God bless you. Bye.